Okay, this one's pretty straightforward. We're going to name each angle three different ways. We could call this angle 1, and we can only do that because they give us the number that's in there, right? You won't always get that number. So angle 1 is one way to do it. We could also name it, since there is only one angle coming off of vertex B, we could call it angle B. And we could also call it angle ABC, as long as we do a point on one of the rays, then the vertex is B, where they come together, and then a point on the other ray. So we can call it ABC. And likewise, we can go backwards since there's no preferred ray to start with. We can say C, then B, then A. And just as long as the vertex point, which is incidentally the one point that we're going to use if we only named it by one letter. Okay, that always has to be in the middle. So that's 4 ways you can do it. So hopefully all your answers are in.